Hi, this is Susie with Spot On, and this is Smart Spots. So have you ever started on a road trip without making a plan first? Well, to have your content be truly effective, you need to develop a strategy first. It'll help you target your audience on the right platforms and help them solve specific problems, preferably with your product or company, but definitely with your expertise. So here are 5 ways to get your strategy started. Step 1 is knowing your main goal. It'll help you zero in on your overall marketing strategy. Are you trying to build awareness of your brand, or rank top of Google searches, or build leads that end in sales? All of these goals have very different paths to accomplish them. So consider your overall business plan first and then develop a content strategy that'll meet your needs. Step 2, who are you trying to reach? Define your audience, then create content that's aimed towards your ideal buyer. And then decide the best places to reach that audience. Some folks might be easy to reach on LinkedIn. Others might love Facebook or Twitter or Pinterest. Then take an inventory of all of your content. You should know what it's called, what it's about, where to find it. Make sure it's optimized for SEO using key search terms, meta descriptions, image tags. That will make users be able to find it. And then solidify your voice. Make sure each piece of content sounds like your company and portrays your brand consistently. Review your analytics. Know which pieces of content perform well and which ones don't. This will help you when you're planning your strategy for the future. And don't forget, use analytical tools like Google or HubSpot to track views and engagement. Then once you publish your content, you need to be able to get the word out about that new piece. A strong marketing automation tool will not only allow you to schedule publishing dates and social media posts, but will help set up lead nurturing email campaigns that will keep you top of mind while your prospects are going through their buyer's journey. And then finally, don't forget to explore different types of content options. It'll help you find out what your audience really responds to. Consider doing ebooks or case studies, infographics. It's an easy way to get that tough statistical information to go down easier and show off your knowledge. And then don't forget videos and podcasts. Who says your audience needs to read your content? Consider doing audio and video content like this to help connect with people.